Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm here to bring you another cryptocurrency video. And in this video I'm just going to, in a very simple way, just explain to you what market cap means. So it stands for market capitalization, and essentially what that means is the total value of the assets. So it's very different from price. Price is simply the price of each unit, and something can consist of several units, which Bitcoin does. Bitcoin consists of 16.8 million Bitcoins or units, and each unit costs over $10,000. So what market cap is just simply if you take the price and multiply that by the supply, you get the market cap. So let's try this out. So we take the price, $10,542, and we multiply that by the circulating supply, which is 16. Let's see here. There we go. And when we multiply these two numbers, we get what should be the market cap, and it corresponds perfectly with the number that CoinMarketCap provides us. So the market cap is the price of all different units combined, and the same goes for every other currency here. Ethereum, price times supply, and you get the market cap. Alright guys, and in the next video I'm going to explain to you why this number here, the market cap that CoinMarketCap provides us, is actually very misleading. So stay tuned, subscribe, and don't miss that part 2 of this video. Bye guys.